Hi to all, welcome to HAFS channel. You're watching health, environment, food safety, fire safety, sustainability solutions. Today we are discussing very informative and interesting topic is what is the history of HACCP and what is the abbreviation of HACCP and what is the 7 principles of HACCP. So how it will be implement in organizations and food industries. So let us discuss about history of HACCP. The history of HACCP, first of all, HACCP means hazard analysis critical control points. So it's coming to that history. The hazard analysis and critical control point is a systematic approach to hazard identification, assessment of risk and control. It is used by many facilities in the food industry to ensure that all food that is consumed is safe to eat. HACCP originated in the 1960s when the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) and the Pillsbury Company and the US Army laboratories collaborated together to provide safe food for upcoming space expeditions. It was decided the NASA engineering management requirements. Critical control points would be used as a guidelines for this food safety initiative. Critical control points was used to test weapon and engineering system reliability by using CCP. NASA and Pillsbury were able to hire contractors to identify and eliminate the critical failure areas in the food processing procedures. After the success of NASA providing safe food for their space expeditions, Pillsbury had a recall on a product called Farina, which is a cereal used in infant food. They were finding glass pieces and remnants in the food, which caused contamination. A microbiologist at Pillsbury, Howard Bowman, who also helped in the NASA initiative, advocated for the company to adopt a HACCP plan. Because of the outbreak and Bowman's success with HACCP, a panel discussion was held in 1971 at the National Conference on Food Protection that examined critical control points and good manufacturing practices (GMP) in producing safe food. The outcome of this meeting led to the FDA asking Pillsbury to establish and manage a training program for the inspection of canned food for FDA inspectors. The program was first held September 1972 for 21 days with 11 days of classroom lecture and 10 days of the canning plant evaluations. The name of this class was titled Food Safety Through the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point System. The name of the class was titled Food Safety Through the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point System, and this was the first time HACCP was used to educate other food facilities in the industry. Today, training for developing and implementing HACCP food safety management systems are offered by several food safety companies, and DFA of California is an accredited HACCP trainer through International HACCP Alliance and qualified perform national recognized HACCP training according to Codex Alimentarius. This is the benefit to the dried fruit and tree nut and fresh produce industry because of DFA knows is the member of facilities. Secondly, the resources to train the conduct HACCP verification audits on your timetable. So all this food safety, since the signing of that Food Safety Modernization Act 2011, companies in the food industry have been making drastic changes in order to comply with the regulations. The proposed produce safety and preventive control rules are expected to be finalized in 2014 with staggered dates for compliance. One of the requirements of the rules is preventive controls HACCP. HACCP is important because it prioritizes and controls potential hazards in food production by controlling major food risks such as microbiological, chemical, and physical contaminants. The industry can better assure consumers that its products are as safe as good science and technology allows. By reducing foodborne hazards, public health protection is strengthened. So HACCP is a program that government agencies and food facilities have relied on for years, and will be a program that continues to have an impact on food safety and in the food industry for years to comes. So the HACCP is have a lot of important tool for that to control the hazards in food industries, meat industries, catering industries, manufacturing industries, bakery industries, milk industries, all food related, food manufacturing, food processing, food servicing, and food cafeterias you can use for this HACCP tool to control the hazards for this HACCP tool. So let us discuss about HACCP. What is the HACCP 7 principles? The HACCP Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point is a food safety management system. It identifies, evaluates, and controls hazards which are significant for food safety. And there is the prerequisite programs is there, the building and equipment designs and cleaning and sanitations and proper facilities, storage, cold dry chemical services, potable water, ventilations, and in PRP we call the pre-RP, personal hygiene, hand washing, and good hygiene habits. And there is a maintenance programs and waste management, pest control programs, approved suppliers, staff training, operation control policies, procedures, and work instructions. So a lot of in all PRP prerequisite programs is designed for the HACCP module. And in this mainly we are focusing 7 principles of HACCP. The designed 7 principles of HACCP. First of all, conduct hazard analysis. Second, determine the critical control points. Third is the establish critical limits. Fourth one, establish monitoring system. Fifth one is the establish corrective action. Sixth one is the establish verification procedures. Seventh one is the establish documentations. These 7 principles is very major important. So we'll discuss to one by one. What is the hazards analysis? What could go wrong? Suppose identify the hazards that affects the process. Identify the steps that hazards likely to occur. Decide which hazards are significant. Determine the measures necessary to control the hazards. So this is a process of hazard analysis in the first step. So in these hazards there is a food hazards is there, physical hazards, chemical hazards, biological hazards. Physical hazards, chemical hazards, biological hazards. HACCP principle is the second point, critical control points. Most important points, steps where the control measures must be used to prevent, eliminate, or reduce the hazards to an acceptable level. Suppose danger zone is the 5 to 63 in food. So where is that in that danger zone? how we will be controlled, where is the measure points, you can prevent, you can eliminate, you can reduce the hazards to an acceptable level. That is the critical control points, CCP. And third one is the critical limits, safety limits which separate the acceptable for unacceptable. Cooking temperatures, storing temperatures, food temperatures, they are all the critical limits for this. And fourth one is the monitoring system. So in the HACCP principles, monitoring is very important. If you check the temperature checks, calibration checks, maintenance checks, so for all these setup checks for the control measures, CCP to confirm that the process is under control and critical limits are not exceeded. So these are all the monitoring system. The fifth one is the corrective actions. So decide what to do when critical limit is breached. So you can be verify for that, and is the corrective action is a correctly going on, and you can decide for that, you can judge what to do when, and the critical limits is a crossed or not, what is the exactly KPI parameters, based upon that you can be take the corrective action. Sixth one is the verification. Prove that HACCP plan is working. You can be understand, and you can be take the result and proof for that verification system. It is planning the working or not for this your organization for this. And the seventh one is the documentations. For whatever you have that records, entirely SOP, temperature charts, cleaning schedules, pest control records, calibration records, and equipment maintenance records, training records, delivery checks, and non-conformance reports. For all this documentation, you can keep the records in seventh. So these are all the seven principle of that HACCP. In HACCP process flow map is the you can be farm to fork, like purchase, delivery and receipt, either dry storage and storage in dry and wet storage, and chilled, frozen, you can be thawing, and you have to preparations, and you can serve cold, and in preparation you can the cooking and chilling, hot holding and reheating. So like that HACCP process flow map is there, you have to follow for this. Suppose purchase, in this purchase there is hazards is there, biologically, physically and chemically contaminated products. So what is the controls? Approved suppliers is the control methods. Who is the control methods? So next, delivery hazards, the biological, physical, chemical, what is the control? Approved suppliers. And delivery vehicle inspection, you can check that, and vehicle checks of product and date codes. And storage, there is a storage hazards is a contamination or multiplication of bacteria. What is the control method is there? Maintain correct temperatures, segregation of products and stock rotation, follow the FIFO and FEFO, first in first out and first expired first out systems. So these are all the storage controls. And preparations, in that preparation is a main focus area in these hazards, contaminations and the multiplication of bacteria to transform the one person to another persons. For this there is a control method is a separation of raw and prepared food, color coding systems, clean and sanitize utensils and work areas, minimize handling and time keep at room temperature. You can follow the all HACCP procedures. And cooking hazards, there is a survival of microorganisms, there is a microorganisms should be survive, the chance is there. For this the control method is a cook thoroughly to core temperatures. The cooking temperature is a 75-degree temperature as per that FSSAI standards and regulations. So you can be control method is the cook thoroughly certain point. And food holding, there is a food holding hazards, contaminations and multiplication of bacteria. The controls hot hold, maintain the above 63, cover the food, cold hold, store below 5 degree and cover the food. So this is the hazards and control for that food holding. And service is very important. While you serving, there is hazards is the contamination and multiplication of bacteria. You can maintain the correct temperatures, clean and sanitize utensils, and follow the personal hygiene rules and PPE rules, and minimizing handling. You can be do for this all the 7 principles in these things. So first is the hazard analysis, second is the critical control points, Third is the critical limits. Fourth is the monitoring system. Fifth is the corrective action. Sixth is the verification. Seventh is the documentation. Like 7 principles of HACCP is very important, and HACCP process flow map is the purchase, delivery, storage, preparation, cooking, food holding, service. So this is the HACCP process flow map. So accordingly you have to follow the HACCP principles, your work location area and your food industries. These are all the basic HACCP process and procedure. Try to understand the 7 principles of the HACCP. It's very important. You have to understand the 7 principles, then you can be able to deliver and implement your food industries as a HSC leader, and as a cook, as a chef, and as a F&B manager. This is a very important tool for the HACCP to control the hazards with measures. Again, I am repeating the 7 principles of HACCP. Number 1 is the conduct hazard analysis. Number 2 is the determine the critical control points. Number 3 is the establish critical limits. Number 4 is the establish monitoring system. Number 5 is the establish corrective action. Number 6 is the establish verification procedure. Number 7 is the establish documentations. So these are all the 7 principles of HACCP. HACCP means hazard analysis critical control points. So guys, let us understand and implement in your area, especially whoever working in food industries, whoever handling the food. Please awake about HACCP knowledge. Thank you. Thanks a lot.